Zinc Fence and borders, man I come from me. I talk about the trench them and the dumb plan. Proud of yourself, proud where you come from. Now share this to the world with Vat Washington, Sherlock. Sunshine, alright, this place don't change at all, remain the same. Girls come out clean talks, want the fame and the music loud, all the neighbors.
Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Lijitimate, and Papine is our location for this week. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. It was another edition of Ratingz, and St Lucia Car Park in New Kingston was the location. Ratingz, rate who? Rate you. Candice has the highlights. Check it out.
It's a third staging of Ratingz, new venue, but the promise is the same experience. First time at Ratingz?
Yes,
What do you think about it?
it's wonderful. Yes, nice vibes, nice people, nice venue.
For those who don't know, my name is Bada Bling. I represent the sound, the unit. The unit is stable and Ratingz every staging. I've been there from the inception. I will continue to be a part of it because it's our family. Big up to Young Rollers, and of course big up to the sponsors, Lou Belly, Remy Martin, Best FM, who continue to support dancehall. But we're a staple on the event, and we're here to just give a good vibe.
What brings you back?
The vibes, definitely the vibes. It's always a good vibe.
How many times have you been here?
From the first staging till now, loyal.
Why do you keep coming back?
The vibes, company, environment, turn up.
Why did you decide to support Ratingz?
No, you know, really and truly, I just, my brethren tell me, say, yeah, I have to wear it tonight. I'm going to see party and promote about 5 months now, so we just come represent. Yeah.
Now with your third staging of Ratingz, how is this one different from the past two?
Well, as you can see, we get a bigger venue because we outgrow the other venue. You know, we get Belly on board, Remy Martin on board. As you can see, the setup is different from the other one, so it's just bigger and better. And the whole thing we do is growing.
Ratingz third staging, it's a good look.
Any plans to revamp what it is, or do you think it's a perfect party as it is?
Well, as it is, it's perfect, but you don't know going forward, we'll probably think of new and better things to do to make it better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now normally this party is held at Susie's Car Park. Is this going to be the new home, St Lucia's Car Park?
Yes, for now. St Lucia Car Park was the ideal spot for us this time around. As you can see, a lovely setup. So we're just working with it from here, and then we'll see where we go from there.
Man, a shoulder for your friend. Tell a shoulder for your friend. Watch your words to a speak and attack with your bad mouth. Man, shoulder for your friend. In a me chain, bling bling. Bad mind is a sin. Unity we are deal with. Isabella do the dance and sip out her shoulder. Left another man a public in a stroller. Come on and Neville, we have the dancing school. Too cooler do the dance like him in a one cooler. Dancing degree, we have the dancing pluma. Heap up the money, me a go for the broom. So the ravers, they will go catch brain tumor. Them a book and pencil, so we did that for school. Man a shoulder for your friend. Tell a shoulder for your friend. Watch your words to a speak and attack with your bad mouth. Man shoulder for your friend. In a me chain, bling bling. Bad mind is a sin. Unity we are deal. Man out there without fear and don't care. Don't try to match up against us without flair. And if you go dancing, we'll lock that from daycare. So if you're gonna envy us, please don't come near here. Hey, shoulders, so fling your shoulders. Nobody wait for nobody, fling your shoulders. Hey,
Thanks, Candice. That was Ratingz in New Kingston. So we're up on our first commercial break. Natesha stream sits in the Talent on the Rise segment and an all-new music video. All that and more when we return. So don't move. It's Pree Dis.
As I go through my day, when I work or I play,
there's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool. Cool on your body any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that I feel reach worldwide.
I cool water helps me stay cool, cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel like water helps me stay cool.
What to cook for dinner today?
Teddyson!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice. Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.
We're all passionate about something. Work, play. Your body needs nutrition to fuel your passion. When was the last time you had 3 square meals a day? So when you're far away from food, you can nutrify yourself. When you don't have time for lunch, nutrify yourself.
Packed with 14 grams of protein, fiber, over 20 vitamins and minerals, and costs about 75% less than leading meal replacement drinks. It's non-stop nutrition for your non-stop life.
Lasco continues to reduce the cost of living.